This 2021 RV was purchased in September 2021 by my parents. They purchased it to live in when their home was damaged by Hurricane Ida. However, they never lived in the RV. The RV is in excellent condition with 6,000 miles and extended coverage until September 2028. The exterior length is 32 feet 3 inches. It's driven by a Ford 7.3-liter V8 engine with 6-speed automatic transmission and 350 horsepower, with a 44-gallon freshwater tank, 39-gallon gray water tank, and a 39-gallon black water tank. The fuel tank holds 55 gallons of unleaded gasoline. There's 41 pounds of LP gas feeding a 3-burner stove and the interior heating system, with a convection oven just below. The RV will accept 30 amps of shore power service, which will run both ACs and all accessories. There's a top bunk for 2 electric recliners, booth dining table, which converts to a bed, and a queen-size master bed in the rear. The shower and toilet are in 2 separate rooms, but they can be connected to create 1 large bathroom. 3 televisions, 1 in the master bedroom, 1 in the living room, and 1 outdoors will keep everyone separately entertained. With the press of 1 button, the self-leveling system will extend the front and rear jacks and stabilize the RV automatically. Exterior storage seems endless. The rear hitch has a 7,500-pound towing capacity. Interior storage can keep everyone's belongings organized. All food and snacks accessible. And kitchen appliances safe. The master bedroom even has hanging storage for clothes. With 2 air conditioners, everyone will be nice and cool. Outside of the entrance, there's plenty of coverage area to entertain, read a book, or tailgate. The refrigerator is very spacious with a separate freezer and fridge below. The 2 slide outs, 1 in the bedroom and 1 in the living room, will make the RV very spacious.